Ironing your dress shirt is very simple. All you need is two things, an iron and an ironing board. On medium heat, start with your collar. Lay the collar flat and iron. Move on to your cuffs. Unbind the cuffs and lay flat to iron. Continue with your sleeves. If you have a couple tough wrinkles, don't be afraid to spray some water. Make sure you iron all corners of the sleeves. Moving on to the buttonless shirt panel. Lay flat on the board. Iron all corners of the panel. When working on the back panel, you can break the area into three parts: the left, the right, and the center. Carefully iron all three areas until wrinkle-free. You can insert the round edge of the board into the armpit area for more stability. Here's a little trick I like to do for the panel with buttons. Lay the button side down towards the board. This makes it easier to iron the area around the buttons. Don't forget to iron all corners of the panel. You now have a wrinkle-free shirt to look your best. Did the shirts in the video catch your eye? Visit our website now to discover a wide range of shirts in our signature slim fit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fashion tips and exclusive offers.